Okay, we just bottomed out. We were out here today working on brakes on Mom's Buick. This requires a special tool. You don't have to do it this way, but it makes it a lot easier. This tool is also required on the Mustang I did brakes on. Okay, the reason is, since the e-brake is integrated into the caliper instead of being a drum or a shoe in there, you have to compress this and turn it at the same time. So you can buy one of these. This is the Orion brand disc brake caliper set off Amazon. There's several of these listed. There's 8 Mile, OEM tool, whatever. This is Orion. It was 24 bucks. It came with the hooks, the gloves, whatever. I'm not saying they're all the same, just different color case, but chances are they're probably all the same, just different colored case, okay? And the way it works, I know there's a lot to look at here, okay? But the way this works is you have a left, if you look, one of them is labeled RH and left LH. One of them is left thread, one of them is right thread, okay? And the way this works is this is magnetic, and you'll see you've got 2 holes here. So what you do is you get in here and you find the one that fits. See, will you hold that light for me? Hold it right up here. Thank you, sir. You will find the one that fits your piston like that. You see these little feet go in these grooves. Okay, well, I can get to work just like that. Okay, and then so what you do then is this lines up to that. Okay, real easy. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll take this over here and I'll show you how to do this. When you get this piece will be in the box. Okay, so this piece rides with the flat part like that. Okay, with the flat part inside the caliper. Okay, and to get it on there, you just go over that, and as you can see, it will stop like that. Okay, so what we got to do is we got to get this compressed down into here. Okay, like this. Okay, make sure, like I said, your little feet line up. Okay, and turn this till you get tension. Okay, you'll start getting tension. Okay, when you start getting tension, you can start turning this guy. Yep, okay, so I'm going the right way. It was just really, really tough. Come in here. All right, so as you turn this, you will see it start moving the piston right here. Okay, and it will start going in. Okay, pay attention that you don't tear the boot. Okay, as you're turning this in. Okay, so we'll just keep compressing it. It is snug, like, and the problem is too where this is like you're having to hold it with one hand, and I'm having to use my left hand, my non-dominant hand. It's going good now. It was just, I think that brake just had a little bit of tension. E-brake had a little bit of tension on it.
Plus, it never been apart.
Yeah, I'd say these are probably still the factory pads. We should be getting pretty close, Steve. Okay, we just bottomed out. Now, you have to get this back out, but if you go to unturn it, like to release the pressure off of it, you're going to turn this piston back out.
Right.
So the way to get it undone is, if you notice, this piece of the tool here is socketed or whatever. So you take one of these, then you just got to get the pressure off of it. Okay, hold this piece, take your, whatever you're going to use. I don't know what size wrench it is. I just got an adjustable here, and turn it, and then you'll get it to where it just slides right back out.
Handy.
So I highly recommend one of these. This is so much easier than a C-clamp and vice grips and da-da-da. And like I said, I use this on a Ford. This is now on a Buick. I loaned it to a friend of mine to use on a Volkswagen. It's got all the different adapters, and it even has an adapter here to where on this certain one you can use a socket on it somewhere down here. It's square, So you can use 3/8 ratchet on whichever one this is. And then there's a weird one down here too that it uses, where apparently it compresses, so like a 10 millimeter socket or something.
Looks like a 10 millimeter.
Yeah. And so like I said, there is a, you can use this piece too, whichever way you want to do it, to make it go in here. It's up to you. That one will probably be a little bit better than the one I used, but it worked. So, and like I said, I paid $24.99, like 26 bucks with tax for this. There's a cheaper one on there that's 8 Mile or some brand. This one came with a set of gloves and the hooks to hang the caliper on. I just didn't have them with me. But I highly recommend this. Use this. It makes your job so much easier. Real quick, Steve and I appreciate you watching this video. We hope it helps you get this job done today. If you can take a second of your time and hit that like and that subscribe button, it helps us make more videos like this. And the more these videos I get to make, the less I have to go to my day job. So appreciate it.